sweet suman. Hello everyone! It's me again! I'm back! Nandito ako ngayon sa Philippines at marami sa inyo before asking me kung paano ako talaga gumawa ng very signature dessert ko na suman. So today, it's the day na ipapakita ko sa inyo the best recipe that I have on how to make sticky rice, sweet sticky rice. So I have with me my papa. My papa. Si papa ang talagang sinaunang nagturo sa amin, maliliit pa kami, on how to make sticky rice. Pero ako, in-improvise ko yung recipe ni papa. Mas natalo ko siya ngayon kasi siya, old-fashioned yung sa kanya, sa akin, it's the new version. So, again, maraming salamat sa mga new subscribers ko na nandiyan kayo following me. So today, it's going to be a food day, dessert day. So what I have in front of me right now is 3 kilo ng malakit. The reason I make 3 kilo that Korea also, marami kami. So we have to divide this one to how many families. So itong malakit na ginamit ko, any malakit you can use. But the best technique to do this is you soak it in cold water 30 minutes. Huwag mong i-over-soak. Kasi pag i-over-soak mo siya, nagiging lata yung suman ninyo. Now, another thing here in front of me is a bowl of sweet, sticky coconut milk. Talaga. So, gata. So, sa 3 kilos ng malagkit, I just guesstimated siguro mga 13 cups or 15 cups of rice. So, iyan din ang measurement ko dito sa gata. You can use puro gata. Sometimes, kung hindi talaga kaya ng budget, dahil malaki ang gata ngayon, but I make sure na I make 6 gata o 8 gata para medyo malinamnam yung suman ninyo. So, what I do is, doon sa gata, I have to boil it. Ipapakita ko sa inyo later on kung paano ako mag-boil. And of course, hindi mawawala sa atin ang ating dahon ng saging. And later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo on how to mix this all together to make the sweet, the best sticky rice na malinamnam na pang ulam sa kape o sa hot chocolate. So, yung recipe ni Papa noon ay sinauna na, kaya i-improvise ko ngayon. And you'll see you later doon sa mga ginagawa ko sa inyo. Bye for now, and come back later. So I'm back. I'm in my second kitchen in the Philippines. So, tatapusin natin yung inumpisahan ko kaninang paggawa ng suman. So right now, I am boiling my gata. Yung iba, hindi nila minuboil. Sinasama ka agad yung malagkit. But me, I always like to see the bubbles of my coconut. Now, it's time for me to put my ingredients. So, lagi talagang any dessert you're cooking, you always have to balance it with salt. Okay? Kahit sabihin mong dessert pa yan. So, guesstimate mga siguro half a teaspoon. You always have to add salt in it. Put it in. And, of course, your sugar. So, pwede niyong lagyan ng pandan, leaves, pwede niyong lagyan ng luya as a flavor. Siniseparate ko yung sauce nito na may luya at may lemon zest kasi mas masarap yung syrup caramelized later on. So, I put my sugar now. Just guesstimate. Ayaw ko ang suman na masyadong matamis. Kasi yung caramelized coconut ko later on, yung sauce ko nito, separate yun. Yun yung medyo matamis-tamis. So this one is just like the flavor ng sugar na ilagay nyo sa, what do you call this one? Doon sa malagkit. So, put that one here. Let it simmer siguro i-adjust natin ang heat. Siguro mga 2 minutes until mag-dilute yung, matunaw yung ating, what do you call this one? Sugar. So, ito na yung dinapad nating malagkit. This is what it look like now. Hindi masyadong basa. Just enough na medyo siya na hugasan. Okay? Make sure you wash your sticky rice. So, what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to pour this one into here guys. Mas malaking kaldero kailangan natin. So we set this on the side. There you go. Put the sticky rice in. And we're going to pour the sauce. Gata. There. Bigger mas do that. So, ang gawin nyo, you can focus it then. I'll show you what it look like. Matatansya nyo, okay. Alam mo, hindi ko binibigay sa inyo yung exact water content or gata content. Ang pinaka-guesstimate ko talaga sa level ng tubig or gata with your rice is like up to the first line of my finger. Yun yung gata. Kasi pag pasubrahan nyo ng gata, medyo malabnaw yung dating at wet na wet ang dating ng suman nyo. And then you just simmer it in slow heat. I'm gonna just put in slow heat. And then, wait maybe siguro mga 15 minutes. Half cook lang tayo, half cook. And then, papakita ko sa inyo later on kung paano mo ito ibalot sa dahon. So for now, yan muna ipapakita ko sa inyo. And I'll come back later. Back! So, ang nangyari, may half cook na tayong sticky rice here. Hindi siya lutong-luto. Half cook lang siya. So, I did maybe about 15-20 minutes and put it in a big basin like this. So, I got my banana leaves. So, may sikreto ako na hindi talaga alam ng mga kapatid. Hindi nila kaya yung sikreto kung paano magawa ng masuma na hindi pinapasukan talaga ng tubig inside. So, here's the thing. I'm gonna show you on how I do it, okay? Kasi kalimitan kasi pag nagsusuman kayo tapos nilalagyan ng tubig inside, meaning hindi tight talaga ang pagka-roll nyo. So, this is a dough. I use 3, sometimes 3 leaves when I roll it. Kasi mas may pressure. You have to have pressure. Do it. Like that. Pag isa lang kasing dahon gagamitin mo, walang masyadong pressure when you do it. So, I don't like my sticky rice taba. I like it like skinny. Kasi masarap kasi nguyain. Tingnan mo, mga coconut. You have to press it really hard para tight yung pagka-roll mo. And then press that end. Press this end na talagang mapifeel mo yung sticky rice na puno. And here's the secret. So, what I do is I have my scissor here. I trim the end. Mabusisi ako, maarte akong taga-suman. Trim that end para walang excess leaves. So, we'll do it again. So, I'm gonna show you kung paano ako mag-tie ng dalawang suman. Okay? So, another 3 leaves. Pag-roll. I have to do this. Kasi ayaw ko na masyadong mataba. Gusto ko simple lang. So, you can calculate kung gaano kalaki yung gagawin mong suman. Let's say magsusuman ka for fiesta or for birthday na marami kang bisita. So, you can calculate kung gaano kalaki talaga yung size ng gagawin mong suman. Ako, yung talagang pang isahan o dalawang kainan when you're eating. So, I do that. Make sure you wash your hands, okay? Always, always wash your hands. So, press it really hard. And then you press it at the end. Yung excess talaga iyan. And then you do it. Yung talagang walang hangin. Kasi pag may hangin, hindi maganda yung dating ng suman nyo. So, I trim that end. Tapos, hard end to soft end. Diba sa dahon may hard end at soft end? Hard and soft, hard and soft. We do it like that. Yummy. Then you tie it using a straw. Kahit ano, may lubid kayo o anong thread. You tighten it, not too tight enough, but not too tight enough. Tight enough na hindi talaga pasukan ng tubig. Because you have to boil this one mga 30 to 45 minutes. Hanggat talagang lutong-luto yung dahon. Okay? Do it like this. Mabusisi ang magawa ng suman dahil maraming kaartehan. Lalo na ako, maarte ako magawa ng suman. Pero I make sure na masarap yung suman. Kasi pinagpaguran mo yun eh. So, I got my first pair of my Suman sticky rice. I'm going to boil this one for 30 to 45 minutes. After this, kaulam nito is hot chocolate and kape. So bye for now. Thanks for subscribing. Continue to subscribe. Marami pa akong videos na share sa inyo. My home cooking at home in the Philippines. Bye for now.